Good morning, teacher. What is your maiden name? My maiden name is Aura. How do you spell it? A-U-R-A. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. How old are you? I am 48 years old. What is your marital status? I am married. What is your occupation? I am a business administration. Where do you live? I live in Bogota. What are the members of your family? My family consists of my husband, my 3 children. How old are they? My husband is 50 years old. Carolina is 30 years old. Iván 25 years old. Y I am Camila 18 years old. What are their occupation? My husband is electrical engineer. Carolina is married, is bacterióloga. David is architect. Laura is a student university. What is your best friend? My best friend is Zoraida. She is administration. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice day.